A wobbly toilet upstairs is not just annoying, it is a direct threat to the ceiling and walls below because movement and compromised seals lead to leaks that can cause major water damage. A loose toilet typically indicates a failing flange, degraded wax ring, or compromised subfloor, so first remove the toilet carefully by shutting off the water, draining the bowl, and unbolting the mounting nuts. Lift straight up to avoid ripping the seal. Inspect the flange for cracks or corrosion and check that it sits flush with the finished floor. If the flange is below floor level, use a flange extender or replace the flange with a type that provides proper height. Examine the subfloor around the flange for soft spots or discoloration which signal rot. If the subfloor has any give, cut out the damaged section, fit a new plywood repair patch or sister joist, and fasten it to solid framing before reinstalling the toilet. Replace the old sealing material with a new ring style suited to your flange geometry, or use a wax-free seal if you prefer easier future removal, and set the bowl straight down, tightening the mounting nuts evenly to prevent rocking. Check for movement by applying firm pressure near the tank and bowl rim, and run water through the toilet while watching below for any signs of seepage at the ceiling or wall joints. If you spot stains or fresh drips, open the ceiling access and dry the area with fans and dehumidification to limit mold growth prior to repair. Finally, retighten after a day if needed and monitor periodically. Prevention with proper flange height and solid subfloor support is the most reliable long-term strategy. Common problems are assuming the seal alone is the issue when the flange or subfloor is failing, which leads to repeated leaks. Solve this by inspecting and addressing the structural components before replacing the seal. Another mistake is over-tightening the mounting bolts to stop rocking, which can crack the porcelain or warp the flange, so tighten evenly to manufacturer torque guidance and use shims where appropriate, then trim them after. A third concern is delaying repairs because the leak is not obvious below yet, and that allows hidden water to saturate insulation and drywall, causing mold and costly ceiling collapse. So remove the toilet promptly, inspect and repair the flange and subfloor, and dry and document any ceiling water damage for remediation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information focused on home repair risks like upstairs toilet leaks. We maintain a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experience, ask questions, and find practical advice.